At an incident, a casualty is not breathing. What should you do while helping them to start breathing again? Tilt their head back gently. There's been a collision. A driver is suffering from shock. What should you do? Reassure them.
What should you do if you see a large box fall from a lorry onto the motorway? Go to the nearest emergency telephone and report the hazard. A casualty has an injured arm. They can move it freely, but it's bleeding. Why should you get them to keep it in a raised position? It will help to reduce the blood flow. Your vehicle breaks down in a tunnel. What should you do? Switch on hazard warning lights, then go and call for help. An injured motorcyclist is lying unconscious in the road. The traffic has stopped and there's no further danger. What should you do to help? Seek medical assistance.
You lose control of your car and damage a garden wall. No one is around. What must you do? Report the incident to the police within 24 hours. You are in a tunnel. Your vehicle is on fire and you cannot drive it. What should you do? Switch on hazard warning lights. What safeguard could you take against fire risk to your vehicle? Check out any strong smell of fuel.
You're driving through a tunnel and the traffic is flowing normally. What should you do? Use dipped headlights. You arrive at the scene of a crash. Someone is bleeding badly from an arm wound. Nothing is embedded in it. What should you do? Apply pressure over the wound and raise the arm. An adult casualty isn't breathing. To maintain circulation, compression should be given. What's the correct depth to press for each compression? 5 to 6 centimeters. At an incident, a small child isn't breathing. To restore normal breathing, how should you breathe into their mouth? Gently. On a motorway, when should the hard shoulder be used? When an emergency arises. What should you do as you approach a long road tunnel? Make sure your radio is tuned to the frequency shown. You see a car on the hard shoulder of a motorway with a help pennant displayed. What does this mean? The driver is likely to be a disabled person. At an incident, someone is suffering from severe burns. What should you do to help them? Douse the burns with clean, cool, non-toxic liquid.
What should you carry for use in the event of a collision? Fire extinguisher.
Your vehicle has a puncture on a motorway. What should you do? Pull up on the hard shoulder. Use the emergency phone to get assistance. At an incident, a casualty is unconscious but breathing. When should you move them? When there's further danger.